sets of points in there, 2 condensers.
It's a 1946 fire truck.
The opposite side fires those cylinders.
Pretty neat.
I mean, there's a lot of technology at the time.
So what,
1946
when that cylinder
Seagrave.
comes up top,
Yeah. So I have.
Look at that.
you can run on one.
Black mount, one distributor, the other one. I usually start both. One side.
That is quite something.
You could probably set the timing on one a little low from the other one.
Yeah,
You get up to high RPMs, you need a little more advance. You can
So I have
turn
a
the
switch.
other one.
You can pull that will retard it. That
Okay.
T handle there.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Let's take another look at the motor here.
But I had to go when I got it. All the hardware was gone. These are
Look at the mount for the bell.
Striker plates I got. I just got, and I pulled the other one spot. Dovetail out of it. So I gotta bring all the. It's all 1x wood there. So buy another fire truck so you have spare parts.
Yeah.